Greetings everybody, my name is Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita and I'm back with our Luganda lesson. Today we are going to learn about good afternoon greetings. Good afternoon greetings, okubuuza emisana oba akawungeezi. In Luganda, good afternoon greetings are the same as good evening greetings. In Luganda, good afternoon greetings are the same as good evening greetings. Okubuuza emisana. Emisana, daytime, good afternoon. Akawungeezi, evening time. Okay, let's say good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mommy. Oh, Mom. Good afternoon, Mom. Good afternoon, Mom. Oh, good afternoon, Judy. Good afternoon, Judy. So, in Luganda, we'll respond by saying, not responding, greeting, or greeting in Luganda. Good afternoon, ma'am, or good afternoon, Judy. In Luganda, you say, osibye, otya, no, mama. Judy. Good afternoon greetings or evening greetings. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Oh, good afternoon, Judy. Then then you greet in Luganda by saying osibye otya no mama. Osibye otya no mama, or osibye otya no Judy. Osibye otya no mama, oba osibye otya no Judy. Then the response will be nsibye bulungi. Nsibye bulungi. In English, you'll say, good afternoon, Judy. I'll say, good afternoon to you too. Oh, good afternoon too. Something like that. But in Luganda, you say, osibye otya no, mama, or osibye otya no, Judy. Then Judy will respond by saying, nsibye bulungi. Nsibye bulungi. Then I'll greet you back by saying, nsibye bulungi, gwe osibye otya. Gwe osibye otya. Question mark. There's also a question mark here. We are greeting in the afternoons or in the evening. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, Judy. In Luganda, you greet by saying, osibye otya no, mama. Osibye otya no, mama. Or osibye otya no, Judy. Then the response will be from Judy. I'll say, nsibye bulungi. Nsibye bulungi. Gwe osibye otya. Nsibye bulungi. Gwe osibye otya. I'll respond by saying, nsibye bulungi. I'm fine. I'm fine. Gwe osibye otya. How about you? Nsiibye bulungi. Nsiibye bulungi. I'm fine. I'm well. Gwe osiibye otya? Gwe osiibye otya? How about you? So, this is how we greet in Luganda in the afternoon or in the evening. You can greet mama, mama. This is how we write mama. Osiibye otya nno, mama. Osiibye otya nno, taata. Osiibye otya nno, taata. That is good afternoon, daddy. Osiibye otya nno, miss. Miss. Good afternoon, miss. Osiibye otya nno, nnyabo. Nnyabo. Osiibye otya nno, nnyabo. Good afternoon, miss. So, those are the greetings in the afternoon and evening. The greeting in the afternoon applies to the evening. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. I'm still Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Goodbye.